Oh yeah, give me a bolt head stick or something.
I'm gonna be
banging the angry Canadian. Beer.
I'm gonna be
Sharing my farts with Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Fuck you, Texas, and fuck you, Lone Star Bear.
I don't know if I can vote or not.
I'm sorry, I did forget to take my meds today. Anyway, with that being said, what is up, you fucking
Jew?
I'm Jewish. Money. And today I'm gonna be A-Jorkin out to Fresh Cut Slim and
Charmix.
Doing your mom.
and Dad. Yeah, without any further ado, let's begin.
Baby! Yeah, look at that. Oh, baby, let's get this open. Yes! Look at that shaft.
Hello. Welcome back, everyone, to another video. This video is probably a lot different than normal, but this is my post-nut clarity video. Anyway. So I recently did a little video A-Jorkin out to a crazy
Adult film
about
titties,
and dick.
but
I rubbed one out a bit too hard on my Canadian bacon. And
Yes.
by Canadian bacon, I mean my small wiener and my dick caught on fire down there from that insane rub and experience. And one more thing, I believe in hate speech, just like how I hate black coffee.
I got you, spooked you.
Or you hate of Fresh Cut Slim and really hate
his fucking
music and
his
reactions.
well,
I have a brand
new
stupid
ass
product
called
the Fresh Cut Slim pinata that you can use to beat the ever-living piss out of the pinata and to take away your frustration towards me.
but
You can also get free candy from the pinata. Just see this satisfied customer.
Oh shit, yeah, this is awesome. Kill me now.
And you can get this Fresh Cut Slim pinata for only $4. Are you kidding me?
link in the description.
Forget feed. Oh, I love feed. Oh. Feed. Oh, I love feed. Oh.
I'm about to bust.